In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning black and white video using Capcut. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, transforming your video into a classic monochrome look can give your content a timeless flair. So let's dive in and explore the steps you need to follow to achieve this effect effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up Capcut on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and grab it from your app store. Capcut is a fantastic free video editing app that offers a robust set of features, and it's perfect for this type of creative project. Once you're in, create a new project. Starting a new project is as easy as tapping on the New Project button on the home screen. Now that you've got a blank canvas, it's time to add your video clip. Select the clip you want to turn black and white from your media library. Capcut will automatically place it on the timeline, which is where all the magic happens. If your clip is too long or needs trimming, use Capcut's simple editing tools to cut it down to your preferred length. The next step is to tap the clip on the timeline. This will open up a range of options for editing your selected clip. Look toward the bottom of the screen to find the filters and adjust options. Both of these will help us with the black and white conversion. If you're inclined towards a quick fix, go ahead and tap on filters. Capcut provides a plethora of filter options, and you should scroll through until you find a black and white option that appeals to you. It's a fast and easy way to give your video the monochrome look you're after. However, if you prefer a more tailored approach, choose Adjust. In the Adjust menu, you'll see an option for saturation. Reduce the saturation all the way to 0, and your video will instantly transform to black and white. Once you're satisfied with either the filter or the manual adjustments, it's crucial to tap the check mark to apply your changes. This ensures that your choices are locked in and that your video reflects the edits you've made. Finally, it's time for the exciting part, exporting your video. Look for the export or download button at the top right of the screen. Tap it, and Capcut will guide you through the format and quality options before saving the finished video to your device. And there you have it, you've just created a sleek black and white video ready for sharing. Don't underestimate the power of monochrome to add drama and sophistication to your storytelling. Thanks for following along, and happy editing with Capcut.